Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your Epson ET2803 refusing to connect to Wi-Fi? Or you're just not sure how to set it up in the first place? I know connecting a printer for the first time can feel confusing with all the buttons, flashing lights, and Wi-Fi options. But it's actually much easier than it looks. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire Epson ET2803 Wi-Fi setup, step by step, just using your smartphone. By the end, your printer will be running wirelessly. Alright, let's jump right in. Turn on the printer and move to its control panel. Now, use the arrow buttons to choose the Wi-Fi setup option and then press OK. Just press the OK button once again to select the Wi-Fi recommended option. Once you see the following screen, simply press OK to proceed with the setup. After that, press OK again for the Wi-Fi setup wizard option, and the printer will search for the SSID. After that, use the up and down arrow buttons to select your network name and then hit OK. Go ahead and use the arrow buttons to enter the password for your Wi-Fi network. Now, on the main screen, the Wi-Fi icon will appear. You can add your printer to any smartphone drive you want. We are going to use an iPhone here. Grab your iPhone and open the Epson iPrint app. On the top of the next screen, you will see the ET2800 series, so tap on it. You need to touch the home button on the top right corner once again, and it will start looking for the available printers. Now, tap on your Wi-Fi printer series. Then, select the Keep Using Epson iPrint option. Head to the main screen by choosing Home option, and your printer will be ready to use.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.